Hello!
iepartnas.
Back with a new video. iepartnas.
So today,
first of all, we've been lagging. We've had some
technical
remodeling,
technical
difficulties slash other projects
in the way
we've been doing and working on.
We found the time to record a new video.
Oh yes.
And today we're coming at you with, I guess you could call it the bubble pop challenge.
The poppy bubble. We'll choose one of those.
Tell them how it goes.
Well, we're gonna go by gum, right?
But the one that actually like blows big bubbles.
Big bubbles.
Big bubble gum.
And we're gonna see who can do the biggest bubble.
And the one who blows the biggest bubble without it popping.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get a prize.
What was the prize?
I don't know, but we'll come up.
We'll come up with something and then we'll let you guys know. Oh yeah, we're also headed to the beach.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do this on the beach. But right now, let's go to 7-Eleven and choose some gum.
Yes, come with us.
Let's go.
We'll meet you there.
Smack. We did some research, and apparently this one is good for making bubbles right here. We don't see any other ones. I mean, we could use some of this, but I'm trusting the bubble yum more.
Yeah, this is the one that's gonna make us some good bubbles.
It's a
5-pack.
It'll take us to space. What is
Mira,
that? Nope. No.
Starburst.
No. Just the gum. It's unhealthy.
It's fruit flavored.
What? That makes no sense. No.
Gummies? Can I get gummies?
Oh look, these has peanuts. Should be healthy too.
Gummies?
Let's go to the salad section.
Salad section?
Let's go get some fruit. Oh.
Hey, that's
all
not
these
healthy.
are bomb. Yeah, let's go.
Alright. Bubble yum.
I guess they'll meet us on the beach now.
Yes.
We're wearing masks because, you know, coronavirus. But we'll see y'all at the beach. So, we were heading to the beach.
To do a little challenge.
But there's a Goodwill like right beside the beach, and we like stopped.
We had a little pit stop real quick.
It was supposed to be 10-minute stop. Turned into an hour.
And now we're hungry.
Oh yeah, now we're hungry.
We don't know what we're gonna eat.
It's already 4.
Is it?
But the sun doesn't set until like 8, so we're still good. We might pick it up and then take it to the beach and eat it there. Get some sand on it, you know. But yeah.
And then after that we'll do the
bubble pop.
I got some cool Levi's.
Ooh.
Mira, están nuevecitos.
No es cierto.
Look! They look barely used.
Oh, they do.
So, hopefully
yeah, we got
fit,
some jackets and a flannel for me, and a desk lamp because I needed one. It's $3. Alright, bye. Finally made it to the beach.
Barely.
You see that art sign right there? Yep. That's our beach. Now we just gotta unload everything. Ended up getting Chipotle. Chipotle's life.
¿Quién te lo compró?
Ella me lo agarró. Que era su turno. Okay. Alright, let's unload. Yep. We got our setup. Look at this. What's up, girl? What's your name? Oh, ¿ya estás comiendo sin mí? We got the food split in 2. We got our whole setup here with the bamboo and whatnot. And we got the festivities going on. But first, we gotta eat. Oh, snap. It was her idea.
He didn't want to buy me my Starburst.
Nah. We were both going for these.
I wanted Starburst.
You wanted this too. I wasn't even done mentioning it, and she was like, "Yes."
Well, yeah,
this is the best combination. So should we do this first or this?
I say this, so we can get it out of the way. Are you ready to lose?
It's gotta go right there.
Go, go, go. Woohoo! Okay.
Bang, bang.
So, we got bubble yum. I haven't had this gum in a long time.
Yeah, me neither. I used to love the one that was like watermelon. I'm not sure what brand it was though.
I think it was this one, bubble yum también.
It was kind of similar, but it was watermelon. That one was my favorite when I was little.
Alright, we're gonna chew it.
No, hold up. How are we gonna see who's the winner? I guess they will be the judge.
No, we gotta be the judge.
Alright, well, I'm already winning, so.
Start chewing, because you need that.
I haven't had this in so long.
We need a soft chew.
Oh, that Chipotle was bomb, by the way. We tried barbacoa for the first time.
Super good.
So good. For how long should we chew?
Whenever you're ready. You can feel when you're ready to make a bubble.
Okay. I think I'm getting there.
Okay. ¿Le falta?
Hey.
I was just testing it out.
Okay, no, there is no test.
Why not?
We didn't say we were gonna have tests.
I was testing it out.
Alright. That counts as one.
No.
My turn. I won.
No, it's the same thing.
Alright, let's do it. Now right beside each other.
Straight?
What?
Alright, this is the real thing?
Oh, snap.
I'm not eating that anymore.
I didn't think it was gonna stick to my
Your hands are all
hand.
sandy. Why you got jealous? You wanted to pop my bubble.
No, I was trying to give it a boost.
Damn, it was perfect already. On like the perfect stage.
Guacala. You guys want a gum? I'm sorry, but no more popping. Hold up.
That bubble was like the size of my face.
And you got a big head, so... That must have been a big bubble. And you show me your technique. You probably searched this before coming, huh?
No, just go like that. I think we know who's winning this challenge.
Nah, wait. Do you like...
I don't know, I just do it.
You're just not gonna give me your tips, eh? They gave me a cheapie block. You had the good block.
There's no way. There's no such thing.
Let's just say I haven't blown bubbles in like a couple years.
Neither have I.
I seen you with
justify?
I seen you with that gum the other day.
He thought he was gonna beat me.
Well, I'm gonna beat you.
No.
I just need another one.
I was gonna make your bubble like 10 times bigger. First one. I beat you again.
Monday? Oh, they're calling me. I'll be back.
You had this idea.
I know. Oh, I see what's going on. You're like an inch closer to the camera, so it seems like it's bigger.
Back up.
Yeah, that's right. What you calling me, huh?
Damn, yo me estás pegándolo. I don't want your bad vibes.
Okay. Tócame.
When you blow a bubble inside a bubble, with what you have left inside, you make another one. It says hasta adentro de esta.
Is that a thing?
I've done it.
Is that a thing?
I used to do that when I was younger.
Drop it on the comments, kids.
That's the thing. So you make a bubble, and you have to, I guess the thing you don't have to let it. I mean, yeah, con que no se haga pop, y con lo que te queda dentro, you make another one. Look, you almost did it. You almost had it.
Yeah? I wonder if there's tutorials about that.
Oh, we're about to make them right now.
Tutorial: how to make a bubble inside a bubble. Step number 1: blow a bubble. Step number 2: re-bubble it.
It's pop. Is it in there?
She's playing. Alright, hold up. I'm gonna do it. If it's a thing, I'm gonna do it. I'm pretty sure I did it. No, I for sure did it. When you do the first bubble, like you're barely holding on to the rest of it.
Yeah.
Inside. So when you do the second one, I feel like I'm gonna just spit it out. If I do, I'm gonna catch it.
I almost had it.
I can hear it popping. Should we throw the second one in there? See if we can do it too?
Don't
Pues
spit
de
it
una
out.
vez.
Well, so far yo ya te voy ganando. You haven't made a bigger bubble than me.
I'm pretty sure I have.
Chubby bunny.
2 chubby bunnies.
Like when you take all the sugar out of it? No.
Oh, no.
It's for my sugar.
No, my turn, my turn.
Okay, go.
No,
That was
no.
whack.
Huh.
That looked like a hot air balloon. Nope.
What the hell? Somebody drowning? She's like, are you aware of the water quality? I bet there's a toe out there.
And I already did 3 big bubbles. Whoa.
I won. I for sure won.
Look, I can't even pull it down.
Okay.
You took my gum away.
There's probably a technique to this.
You gotta do it slowly.
Yeah, I think I won. Alright, last one. This one determines the winner.
No. I feel too much pressure. Why did you say that?
No, that was a test.
No, you.
Yeah. No, you gotta warm up for the final.
That was the final, guys. So
Look.
he lost.
When you're at a
He lost
tournament,
the challenge,
when
and
you're
I
at a
won the
tournament,
bubble
you
bubble
get,
challenge.
you have match. I didn't even like this game.
Winner. You came up with
This
it.
game was whack.
Guys, last time he came up with this game here at the beach too, and I won him by like a lot. You do the biggest one when the game's over.
I won.
Yeah, that game over.
I won. If they don't reach your hat, it's game over.
You're gonna.
Nah, you cheated. You like pushed it up there.
You said if it reached my hat, it would. So, ew. I won. You lost.
No.
You lost.
I think they're gonna have to judge that one.
You lost.
Because mine went all over the place.
I think I won.
No, I think I won.
Let us know if you think he won, which I highly doubt it.
Look, you are closer. So
Well, right now,
people
because I was
take
going
that
like
into
that,
consideration.
I had to
She's
be-
like 10 inches closer. So in reality, my
Look.
bubble was like twice as bigger than yours.
Just compare it to my face. That's how you can tell. That's it.
You did it to yourself.
Let us
Team
know.
I or Team E?
Team E
I
took the win.
took the win. Get it?
So, E took the win.
Nah, that doesn't make sense. I took the win.
Whatever.
It's our initials, by the way. I-E. Partners, get it? Look at this. So peaceful out here.
Nice and cloudy.
It's so peaceful.
Ahora los hachiros.
Oh my lord.
Get into it.
A ver?
No. Mira,
Okay,
mira.
we'll be back.
Taste test that.
Oh my gosh. All right, bye. Am I dirty?
No, para nada.
No? Okay.
You good? What are we gonna do now?
We're gonna play beach ball. I found it.
I already said that.
Bang,
no, let's
bang.
use the pink one.
Beach ball.
Beach ball.
Hey, I wanted that one.
No, I want this one. I'll throw it at you mejor so you don't have
This
to.
is the first time we record outside. How we doing? Oh yeah, I got a haircut by the way.
He's a baldy now, thanks
Yeah.
to me.
Oh, 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 ito ba? Whoa, snap. That was tight. Water break. Yeah, things are getting a little sandy, a little too sandy. So, hope you guys enjoy the challenge.
Thanks for
and
joining us in on our little challenge.
make sure to vote for I.
Or E.
The
if you
I
think
team.
E won.
Nah.
Team E.
Yeah, make sure to let us know because I think I
I
won.
think I won, but
Anywho,
we'll leave it up to you guys.
third vlog down.
Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
All that fun stuff.
Yes.
All right, peace out and see y'all later.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, I see where I
What
hit
did
it.
you do?
It's right here.
Poquito más y le arruinas el lens, eh?
Yeah, that's probably not a good idea. Hat or no hat? The sun is still out there even though it's not.